Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter. Oh, another short video here. Why be say I want change to film this video. I just tired. My people, don't collect. Don't take me for who I am. Okay. I bring our sister Dyna Ekwueme. I go her house now. Yesterday, I not just a record. I go her house to go collect a video when she do live stream yesterday. The video is not there to find. Well, Dyna Ekwueme yesterday she come out to address people when they attack her. Dyna Ekwueme come out yesterday. Oh, she dey address people when they attack her, people when they go her Instagram, people when they go her email, people when they DM her. They tell them not collect sense. Oh, not respecting herself. Oh, I not see the video. I not say I dey like to play their video. Then before I deliberate on it, you know, she talk for inside her video when she for the address people. Somebody inside there, they would attack me. I have a screenshot like 2 inside, and the screenshot now I can't get. When I say like me, I do when I drop message, I ask that, and then I say, why you know they read my comment? You understand? Because the same thing she say people they attack her, say she they come out, they address the world, they talk about what they happen for the world. Now people come they attack her. Why people go they attack her? Then I write and say, just know, say now when you don't they react, you react in different things. You can react to the world, you can react to people's content, you can react to family, you can react to move back, you can react to anything. Oh, we call them reaction. They react. They're not just expect people must come for you. Remember when people they react about you, people always attack these people. I drop the comment, Dyna not great reader. Now I tell her and say, Dyna Ekwueme, your sister dey there, yes, I'm your senior sister, you know now. You say you want just complete 28. They never will reach 30. Talk of. I respect you as a sister, okay? I say, read my comments. Now one person just pick me for deal. Now the person just they drag me, they go. Because as our sister come, they complain, say people they always they bunch on her, people they attack her. Now we can't drop my own opinion for her, say, Dyna, people must come for you because now you don't they react to the word. Some people will see and say, wait till you they talk now lie. When some go see and say you they give the information, then this lady just hold my mouth, start to they attack me. Naija daughter, come out for here with your dirty phone. Now I say, collect sense this lady. What it be her name self? Now I say, I beg, collect sense this lady. Do you know me in anywhere? It not be with they react to Dyna Ekwueme and video. With they react to Dyna Ekwueme. I say, what your madam they do for here now? The Dyna Ekwueme, what did she they do for here? She they clap on for you, abi she they react to people video, to what did they happen for the world now? You understand? Some people are not really understand. Oh, I know. Yeah, she say, Naija daughter, you have been insulting her and her husband with your set of group of people. I am happy people are watching. He say we always they react to Dyna Ekwueme video. React to Dyna Ekwueme video. It makes say we they insult Dyna. MGE. React to Dyna Ekwueme video. Ina symbolize say we they insult that. You they watch videos. Try and watch video. You this girl, you this lady, you this man, MGE. Try and be watching video before you drop your opinion. I know they insult anybody. I drop my opinion. Dropping your opinion, it makes say we they insult. We know they insult. You drop your opinion, then I drop my opinion. Inside the Dyna Ekwueme live stream yesterday, somebody attacked Dyna Ekwueme. Dyna Ekwueme not insult the person. She addressed the person. You are there under your nose. Dyna Ekwueme not insult the person. But if now me talking for my house now, when I say Dyna, they regret going Saudi Arabia. Dyna, they address the person. Dyna Ekwueme come out. He talk a lot for the video, but the little one when I crown for my head, now I want to talk about. Dyna Ekwueme come outside. She they talk say some people they insult her. Some people they go her Instagram, message her, tell her say make she shut up, say she they lie. Say what she they talk about, they react about, say those kind of things not they happen. Say she they lie. Dyna Ekwueme come they address that matter. My beautiful sister Dyna Ekwueme, let me just tell you the truth. As far you don't they react to video, just know say some people will come for you. People will come for you. I'm sorry, I try to support somebody. I dey try to support somebody, try to share the person out, then let me drop it and deliberate on my video. You know, I wan just do this video to send message to my sister Dyna Ekwueme. Dyna Ekwueme sis, just know say some people, your opinion will never be okay with some people. Some people must come for you. The same thing we dey receive, we the reactor. Now you don't be reactor. And you still make sure say normal na mother, that is, you don't be mother. Now im make you do mother video, mother vlog. Initially, you be person when they react to anything when they trend online. Politician, when you go Benin, Benin, you know a lot of subscribers when you gather for there, how people take paint Benin bad, you know, you they react. Then people, some people come for you. Oh, I'm sorry, I need to greet this person. You know, just know say when you say you go Benin, go free, as people take paint Benin bad, but when you get there, no be so Benin it be. You understand? People will react about it. Some people will come and say, Dyna, you dey lie. Benin and so it be. Tomorrow, people will come, they say that they insult you. Now you are a reactor. Dyna, let me just tell you the truth. Just be prepared for people. Okay? People will come for you. As how we will talk about you, people will come for us. The same thing to you now, say, people will come for you. As they say, in the world, you want start to they go gaga. Remember, say some people will come for you, say the world don't they go any gaga. The world still they okay. Economy na the whole world. The things when the people they fix na the whole world. Foods, anything na the whole world. Maybe people start to buy food down. By summer now, people go na the whole world. Anybody when want come for Middle East now, may anybody not come there. For next year, may they house. No, say some people will come for you. Say why you leave Nigeria. Somebody still write out for your comment section. Now you don't react. You say you know if they show children every time. Sometimes you can't say children can say, oh, my mother always with camera. As Dyna Ekwueme talk, oh, she say she don't they change niche. Not be every time you go they film children. Sometimes those children go they tire for our filming. Sometimes those children they go say, mommy, I don't want show on your video. That is true. But if your children they enjoy what they watch, they no tell you say they no film. You they see some family when they do mukbang, children they happy. Like my children, now they reintroduce mukbang to my channel, Esther Family TV. Yesterday, na children they for Nigeria. I don't know till when my brother they wish their children happy Children's Day. You know they say, mommy, yesterday na Saturday, mommy, you promise us a mukbang. Mommy, let do food challenge. You know, then I film them. If your children they enjoy wetin that they do, wetin that they watch, or wetin you they do that they enjoy, I not believe say that one an excuse, my beautiful sister. Maybe the vibe when you get, as Miss First talk, the vibe when you get when you dey Nigeria to film, you not get the vibe now. The vibe when you get now just to film, only you want, you know, or you know, film only you want, drop your opinion, then enter your house, you get that vibe. Not be say because of motherhood vlog. Now you know they get them because you don't get a lot where you they go. You they double they crack your head how to do vlog. It see they happen to me. Me na person when they come outside. Now notice as many of my vlog na inside house. I they try to and I see they select things so I will still show for inside my house. Yes, I not just they show my full house. I will show kitchen more for this my house to do vlog. You understand? She mentioned a lot. Now she na person when they do react, may we go her channel. Now because she can't marry. As she can't marry, then motherhood enter. That is pregnancy, breastfeeding. She know a lot of people when they're born the same time. When she they celebrate her children birthday, the same people see they celebrate their children birthday. She know a lot of people when they're born the same time. But now she want try to change. She want fall back to her former niche when she they do before. If you be the person when not watch that Dyna Ekwueme, she talk a lot too, but I just try to pick some parts when she talk. Me, I like to play her voice record. She said, wait till she take start channel. Wait till she take start up her channel. Now wait till she they do now. I not believe say vlog will come, they rapper all the time. Now those cracky. Or at the end of the video, she say, oh, Dynamite, I'm sorry. I know say, hey, oh, the great TikTok say, oh, me, I not go push. First of all, she say, we gain 5,000 followers for YouTube when they subscribe. Later, she still say, oh, me, at the end of the video, oh, because when she dey talk, he say drop your opinion, nobody drop. Drop your opinion, nobody drop. Don't opinion, nobody drop. Some people not drop. Then some people can't start to the drop. Later at the end, she can say, oh, me I not go drive my dynamines. Let me go back to my, normal things when I dey do. But she not dey depressed. I'm so happy to hear that part. Now that part really make me to do this video. Our sister, she said she not dey depressed. She dey very okay. Only that part alone. I'm so happy to hear that part. Yesterday, somebody greet me for premiere, let me ask her. May not be like say I dey mezebu, Now wetin she talk, oh, she say by next month, June or July, she go come back to social media. Yes, she go come back to social media. She go start to dey do her normal video by next month. Okay, my main purpose of doing this video, our sister Dyna Ekwueme, she say people dey come for her just because she dey wetin the world economic dey fall into. She dey react about it. Then some people dey see her like say she dey lie. Yes, me do this video to tell her say make she prepare. If she wan continue to dey do all those things, make she prepare. And she still fit tell you what to do. Na your channel and na your home. You have the right to do anything you want to do. Okay, that person when they attack me yesterday, I see say you want try to read wetin she talk. Because say Naija Daughter, you can't read my name. I say you can't read my name, but I write, you not read. When you cause it say na gbasgbos, they give each other with my broken writing and my my normal writing, then you not ever read our comment again. I believe the girl will collect sense, or if na mine, she go collect sense. She go no say they don't dey fight for Dyna. Dyna they do her thing. Say me anybody not dey fight for her. She carry Dyna matter put for her. Now you carry your matter. Now you know what you see. My people, our sister Dyna Ekwueme do live stream yesterday. I tried to go her house. If I go see, I not see the live stream. I just use my mouth to talk. I send her love. I send her encourage. As she say she not dey depressed. I'm so happy. Say a lot of people they say depressed. She not dey depressed. She just tried to reshape her doing, and what she don't achieve at the age of 28 years. 2 months time now she go complete 28 years. What don't, and she is grateful. But she just need to take break. She don't do video. She don't be on YouTube since 6 years. She never take break. She just take this break. Not be say she dey depressed. She's doing well. Congratulations to her. We are happy. People when they attack you, just take those people like normal things. People must come for you. Now this one I get to talk. Oh, our sister, you when they attack me for Dyna live stream yesterday, collect sense. I tell you, I say collect sense. I know say you watch this my video. I say collect sense, collect sense, collect sense. Now they watch. I say collect sense. Say now with the group. Who group? I don't get any group. Oh, I just they react. Then watch my fellow reactor. That we not get group. I not get a group. I not get any group. I'm one man squad. Okay. I said let me clear that part for you also. No group. I am my own. Okay. I'll see you if you never subscribe. Do wait to subscribe to Naija Daughter TV. If you like what I did, to give me thumbs up. Like the live stream. MGE. I send you my love. I send you my hug. I don't get anything against you, but try and watch video before you drop comment. Okay. I don't get anything. I know they insult Dyna. Why I go insult Dyna husband? Dyna husband don't baba Dyna head. Oh, Dyna husband don't cut na title, na thumbnail. Okay, don't use thumbnail to judge. Try and watch video. If Dyna release that video again, maybe I'll go watch them again so that, or maybe I'm not going to talk about them again. Then I go my Yabohanzi, please. Hey, my soldier, they my body gaga. My two soldier.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default.